Meaning of groundout.
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 Groundout. In baseball, a groundout refers to a play in which the batter hits the ball and it rolls along the ground, resulting in an out being recorded by the defensive team. When a groundout occurs, one of the fielders must quickly retrieve the ball and throw it to a teammate at first base before the batter reaches it. This is often a routine play but requires precision and teamwork. Groundouts are common in baseball and can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor batting technique or effective pitching strategies by the opposing team.